was effectively about India's compute capability, right? Just how in the 20th century, the levers of power were controlled by those who had oil, gas and steel. In the 21st century, the levers of power will essentially be controlled by those who have access to AI, GPUs, compute capability, data centers. And that was the key, element of my argument, that how India needs to build its own compute capability and how today, we are in a AI ecosystem in this world where there is a monopoly in some sense, where design is controlled by one company based out of the US. Fabrication is 90% of the chip manufacturing and fabrication is controlled by a company sitting out of Taiwan. And then you have export controls, where certain countries in the world, particularly the US, have defined these chips and GPUs and this entire AI architecture as a strategic asset and imposed controls on its export. So when it comes to the design, fabrication and the export challenges, India needs to kind of prepare itself to secure access, to diversify supply and ultimately build a big AI infrastructure. Today India doesn't lack the intent, India doesn't lack the capital, India also does not lack the talent. I mean, when it comes to the penetration of AI skills, India ranks number one. When it comes to the AI talent, India's AI talent is likely to double itself by the year 2027. So we have everything that's possible. I think what we need to do is secure access, diversify access so that we are not just dependent on one or two countries or companies. And ultimately, we have to build our own AI infrastructure, whether it's about data centers, whether it's about having access to land, power, technology, so on and so forth. So this was largely, the argument that I placed during my session. It's a fascinating environment. The whole AI world, in that sense, is descending to this big summit, and everybody seems to be very, very excited.